Dairy Queen has introduced a new Blizzard flavor for only 85 cents. It's an unbeatable deal, not to be missed. Dairy Queen Blizzards offer many delicious flavors, ranging from classic flavors to new surprises. The new Blizzard flavor, only available for 85 cents, was created to surprise and delight all Dairy Queen Blizzards fans. Indulge your craving with a new 85 cents Blizzard flavor, available now at Dairy Queen locations. Enjoy a rich, creamy treat that will make your taste buds dance. You can get it for just 85 cents. The 85 cents Blizzard is certainly a treat no one can resist. Enjoy the smooth texture and delightful flavor. Dairy Queen used the freshest ingredients to create the 85 cents Blizzard, for a delicious treat. Get the latest Blizzard flavor from Dairy Queen for only 85 cents. It's a great, low price for a treat that is sure to satisfy. Get your hands on the 85 cents Blizzard and enjoy a sweet treat that you won't soon forget. Dairy Queen's 85 cents Blizzard is creamy and delicious. Enjoy all the flavor with minimal effort, only 85 cents. Take a break from your day and indulge in one of Dairy Queen's Blizzards. Now only 85 cents. Get all the flavor you desire for a price you can't ignore. Dairy Queen's 85 cents Blizzard will not disappoint. Get an all-new flavor for a fraction of the price. 85 cents Blizzards from Dairy Queen are here and ready to be enjoyed. Dairy Queen's 85 cents Blizzard will be an experience you won't soon forget. Indulge in the sweet and creamy flavor. Tired of sweet treats that are too expensive? Dairy Queen's 85 cents Blizzard is the perfect treat for a low price. Enjoy the goodness of Dairy Queen's Blizzards without breaking the bank. Get the 85 cents Blizzard now. Get the same great flavor you love for a fraction of the cost. Dairy Queen's 85 cents Blizzard is here. For a truly indulgent treat, try Dairy Queen's 85 cents Blizzard. It's fresher, tastier, and cheaper than ever. Need a quick snack on the go? Give Dairy Queen's 85 cents Blizzard a try. The price is right, and the flavor is delicious. The 85 cents Blizzard from Dairy Queen will have you asking for more. Enjoy creamy goodness for a very low price. Don't pass up the opportunity to treat yourself. Indulge in Dairy Queen's 85 cents Blizzard. Dairy Queen's Blizzards have always been popular. Now they can be reached even easier with the 85 cents Blizzard. Get a scoop of indulgence from Dairy Queen for only 85 cents. The 85 cents Blizzard will keep you coming back for more. The 85 cents Blizzard from Dairy Queen is the perfect treat for a day out with friends, or just for yourself. Get the sweet satisfaction you crave for a fraction of the cost. The 85 cents Blizzard is the perfect snack.